Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant need to create content for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok? With so much competition out there, it's tough to keep up, especially when some creators are uploading daily from multiple channels. It can feel impossible to stand out, and many give up before they see any success. But what if there was an easier way? What if you could create amazing shorts without spending hours on them? In this video, I'll show you a fantastic tool that takes care of everything for you, completely free. Just take a look at this video.
As the moon cast an ethereal glow over the restless ocean, the crew of the fishing vessel Misty Horizon felt an inexplicable unease creeping through the salty air. Whispers of an ancient curse haunted the ship, passed down through generations of seafarers. One fateful night, a dense fog enveloped the waters, obscuring all but the ghostly creaks of the ship's weary timbers. Shadows danced with malicious intent. Unseen hands brushed icy fingers down the sailors' spines. The captain, a weathered soul named Captain Blackwood, knew the tales all too well, but dared not speak of them.
Let me tell you a secret. I made this video in only 5 minutes. Now I'll show you how to do the same, but make sure to stay until the end because I've prepared a secret monetization guide that top creators don't want you to know about. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. The tool that will make this possible is called AutoShorts AI. As you can see, this tool is not free, but the payment plans are pretty cheap. Now, if you don't want to pay, I have found a way for you to use it for free. Each account has one video generation for free. You can simply get bulk emails for free, and you can switch them up after you have used the free video credit. This way, you can create unlimited videos completely free. Let me show you how you can use this tool. On the left side, you need to click on Create. Here you need to select Email, so that once your video is done, you will receive it there. And if we click on the Content part, here we can see how crazy this tool is. As you can see, here we can find multiple video niches that we can use. Based on my multiple years of experience in social media, some of the niches that are still gaining millions of views are scary stories, motivational, fun facts, and history. In the last couple of months, scary stories are blowing up, so let's use that one. If we scroll down, we can see that this tool offers multiple voices for the voiceover for free.
In the heart of the city, there is a large park.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
The train chugged along the tracks.
I will use Echo since it's the best one here. In the language part, you can choose multiple languages for your video. We are going with English, so we will leave it like that. And since we want to make money with our shorts, we will set the duration of 60 to 90 seconds. After that, just click Create Series and you're done. As you can see, the tool has generated a title for our video, captions with the exact viral hashtags that will boost it, and a script that has been automatically created. Now the video is being rendered, and that process should take around 5 minutes. And as simple as that, our video is done. Let's take a look at it.
As the full moon cast an eerie glow through the thick foliage, Emily's footsteps echoed in the silent woods. She ventured deeper, guided by an inexplicable pull. A rustling sound made her halt, heart pounding. Shadows danced around her, whispering secrets she couldn't comprehend. Panic rising, she quickened her pace only to stumble upon a clearing bathed in moonlight. In its center stood a figure, hunched and menacing. Fear rooted her to the spot as the figure turned, revealing eyes that gleamed with a feral hunger. Desperation lent her strength to flee, branches clawing at her skin. Breathless, she collapsed near her cabin, safety within grasp. A guttural growl froze her. The figure loomed over her, the moonlight now highlighting its monstrous form. In that chilling moment, Emily realized the woods held ancient terrors, and her fate was sealed in a moonlit hunt she could never escape.
As you can see, the script is perfect. The images are insane, and it even has transition sound effects.
Shadows danced around.
But we need to fix a few things. Since we are using this method for free, there is a watermark below, so we need to remove it. Also, to be one step ahead of the competition, I will show you how you can make this video look insanely good. For this, we will use CapCut. Once you are in, you need to import the video that you have generated with AutoShorts AI. Also, you can download a no copyright scary background music and import it too. Now, drag the video down into the editing bar and do the same for the background music.
As the full moon cast an eerie glow through the thick foliage, Emily's footsteps...
As you can see, there is some delay on the background music, so I will just cut out the silent part. To make it more appealing, I will add a fade into it. Also, the volume of the background is louder than the voiceover, so I will lower the volume of the background.
As the full moon cast an eerie glow through the thick foliage.
Now it's much better. As you can see, we have a watermark on our video. To To remove it, just simply click on the white dot in the right corner and scale the video until the watermark disappears. And as easy as that, the watermark is now removed. Now, you can just download the video and upload it to your channel, but I will show you some additional steps to make it even nicer. So let's add some video effects. To do that, you need to open the effects section. For this niche, I prefer to use the nature effects since they match the video pretty well. In the beginning of our video, the voiceover is saying something about a moon glow, so for that, the sun glow effect would match perfectly. Just click on the effect and drag it down into the editing bar.
As the full moon cast an eerie glow through the thick foliage.
This is perfect. Now for example, in this part we can add a rain effect.
Emily's footsteps echoed in the silent woods.
And here we can add some fog.
She ventured deeper, guided by an inexplicable pull.
You get the point. Now make sure to do this for the whole video. The only thing left is the background music, so I will just cut it at the end and I will add a fade out. Let's add a fade out to the video as well.
She could never escape.
The only thing you need to do is you need to export the video. Choose 1080p, 60 FPS and click export. Let's take a look at the result.
As the full moon cast an eerie glow through the thick foliage, Emily's footsteps echoed in the silent woods. She ventured deeper, guided by an inexplicable pull. A rustling sound made her halt, heart pounding. Shadows danced around her, whispering secrets she couldn't comprehend.
As I promised, now I will share a secret monetization guide that will help you earn your first $1,000 online with the help of the method that I just showed you, and trust me, this will be your easiest money earned ever. I will separate the guide in a few key points so that it will be easier for you. First one is niche. In order to stand out, you need to select a really specific niche. The best ones you can go for are scary stories, motivational shorts, fun facts, and history shorts. The second point is monetization method. To monetize the videos, you can use YouTube, which you can earn money from AdSense. Next one is TikTok, which you can earn money from the creativity program. The last one is Instagram, which you can earn money from affiliates and shoutouts. The third point is upload time and consistency. You need to make sure to upload 2 to 5 videos per day, which are 1 minute long. The best upload time globally is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. The fourth and the last point is dedication. Watching this video, you may think that it is impossible to make money with shorts, but trust me, you are wrong. I need you to trust me on this one. If it's hard for you, I have created a challenge that you can follow. Do everything that I showed you in the video for 60 days straight. Make sure to follow the posting times and consistency, and make sure that your videos are 1 minute long. In the beginning, I assure you that you will not see big results, but consistency is key. I am telling you that if you post videos daily for the next 30 to 60 days, at some point you will blow up. Now, if you are up for this challenge, make sure to leave a comment on this video and follow up on it every week. I will be here to assist you. Remember, success takes time, so start today, and I'm waiting to see your results. See you in the next video.